Welcome. Today I am going to show you the use of a boom pole. A boom pole is an extension device which can be positioned above the subject out of visibility of the camera to position either a light source or a mic or some other prop above the subject out of the field of view. I have made this boom pole with resources available at home and therefore it didn't cost me anything. So I'm going to show you the construction of a boom pole at no cost. Before we go, can I request you to subscribe to my channel, share it, like it and hit the bell icon so that you receive further notification instantly. Let's go.
I have constructed this boom pole with available resources at home.
So the camera is now pointing at the boom pole and at the end of the boom pole there is a aperture light connected to it. This aperture light is going to serve as a hair light for the subject when he is sitting on the chair over there. I am recording video with the hair light above me and its light is falling on my left shoulder and the back of my head now. This light, I am not using any key light or fill light, I am just demonstrating the use of the hair light alone. As you can see, the back part of my head and my shoulders are well illuminated and set apart from the background. I can also sit here and still the hair light will serve the same function. This is how it has been constructed. To the left there, what you can see, the vertical support is the upright part of a light stand, and from it spreading horizontal, and there is a clamp attached to the upper part of the light stand, and to this clamp is attached the selfie stick. The selfie stick is holding the clamp of an aperture light at its end, and this light is shining downwards. Let's take a closer look at the components of this boom pole. This is a light stand. This is a clamp which I can connect to my light stand, and at the other end I can mount the base of a selfie stick here, and the selfie stick will pass horizontally. This is a closer look at the selfie stick, and at the upper end of the selfie stick you can see this clamp. This clamp comes with the small aperture light. I use this light for casting the light on my shoulder. I'm going to switch it on. You can see that it emits a very powerful light sufficient to illuminate the back. So I strive to bring to you do-it-yourself videos with available resources at home. All these activities will definitely keep you engaged and keep doing something so that you derive immense satisfaction at the end of the day. This is a very useful way to beat the monotony and boredom caused by this lockdown. So I hope you like this video. If you did, kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, share it, like it and hit the bell icon so that you will receive notifications immediately when another video is uploaded. I will see you in the next video. Bye.